In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a custom field ID in Jira. If you've ever tried to write advanced JQL, connect Jira to an automation tool, or reference a field in a script or API call, you already know how important the exact field ID is. Using the field's display name isn't always enough, and guessing usually leads to failed queries or broken automations. The good news is that Jira makes this much easier once you know where to look. To get started, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Jira site. Once you're on the main dashboard, go to the top right corner and click the settings gear. This is where you can access the global administrative options you'll need. When the settings menu opens, click Issues. That takes you into Jira's issue configuration area, where field settings and related options are managed. On the left-hand sidebar, scroll until you find Custom Fields under the Fields section, then click it. This opens the full list of custom fields available in your Jira environment. At the top of the Custom Fields page, you'll see a search box. Click into that search field and type the name of the custom field you want to identify. As you type, Jira will filter the list in real time, making it much easier to isolate the exact field you need. This is especially helpful if your instance contains a large number of custom fields. Once you've found the correct field, move to the right side of that row and click the three-dot menu. From the drop-down, choose Configure or Edit, depending on what appears in your version of Jira. After that page opens, look at your browser's address bar. Near the end of the URL, you should see a parameter labeled custom field id followed by a number. That number is the unique ID for your custom field. If you want a quicker alternative without fully navigating away, there's another method. On the custom fields list, right-click the field name and choose Inspect or Inspect Element. This opens your browser's developer tools. In the highlighted HTML, look for something like custom field followed by numbers, or check the link reference for the same ID value. This can be a fast way to capture the field ID directly from the page. After you've found the number, copy it and test it where you plan to use it. For example, in JQL, you can validate it with a query like CF followed by the ID in brackets, then is not empty. If Jira accepts the query, you know the field ID is correct, and that's it. You now know how to locate and verify a Jira custom field ID quickly and reliably. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next